Hey guys, we're at the toy shop at Walmart. They have some pretty good stuff in here. Seems like half of their machines are filled. It's probably the way they do it because it's a lot to fill every single machine here at once. So they probably like fill half of them, half the machines. They probably fill all these machines over a week. So twice a week, I mean. Let's go for the Santa Tweety in the back. Looks really gettable. Hopefully gonna see if I can win it. Oh, it's got a drift to it by the body. It's gonna hold it back. Oh, there we go. Maybe. Come on. We should have him. Yes. Stay. Oh, Betty Boop. Nice. Yes. Got a Tweety. First try. Nice. This is one of the ones I need. Perfect. Nice. So far, so good. Let's go for this Betty Boop. Maybe I should have went for her first because I moved her now, so I don't know if I can get her. It's kind of hard to get sometimes, but we'll see. Let's go for 2 in a row. Ooh, perfect. Ooh, no, it didn't go down all the way. Nope. Paw seemed to be loose. I think maybe I should go for more of her body. Just make sure it doesn't hit anything. Ooh, maybe that might have her clamped. Oh, she's super gettable now. Definitely get her. Can even do some raking in the back. That should be fun. Starting to have lots of Christmas characters in their claw machines. Oh, it didn't spin right. Wow. Alright, I'll try another $1 on her. I think I can. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. Oh no, it's not moving over. Alright. Whatever, I had to... Hopefully it'll spin right. Oh, maybe that might have it. Come on. No. Made her worse now. We got one more try left. Let's go for Santa. Should have got her by now. They're usually a lot easier than what I'm doing, but I guess not. Okay, let's just go for her one more time. Hopefully it spins right. Oh, perfect spin. No, it didn't go down all the way. No. Oh, that's close. Kind of brought it up. You know what? I'm going to try for that reindeer in the back too, so I'll try one more $1. See what happens. I use my angles this time. Hopefully it spins right. Back a tad. That looks perfect. Should have it right there. Oh, perfect. There we go. It clamped. No. Oh, it keeps dropping it. It's weird. I want to try for that reindeer too, but unfortunately I don't think I'll be able to. No, I'm not going for her anymore. Claw's too weak. Go for Ninja. I might go for that one or this one. I'll go for this one over here. Fruit Ninja Orange. Hope it goes down all the way. There we go. Perfect. Come on. Got it. Stay. Nice. Got the orange. Sweet. Oh, nice. Barely fell in there. I can barely fit out in the chute. Alright, got him. Oh, I got it all. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Did I actually get that? Oh, I thought I actually might grab the bear. Finally, I got that stupid Santa thing off. Kinda glad I did. Now I can win this reindeer. Don't move over. Ooh, look at this. I can rake the Santa over. Oh, sweet. I'm gonna win him. It's a raking technique. Hopefully it'll spin right now. Oh, perfect. Come on. Nice. Oh, yes. By the leg. Oh, the claws all screwed up. Maybe win that reindeer now. I have to get some. Actually, I do have $1 I'll spend here. Nice. That's a pretty cool win. Now it's all messed up like this. Maybe I can get something like in the death zone. Dead zone, not death. Okay, let's go for this reindeer. I'm gonna go back a little bit because it's gonna do that. Great. No, don't get stuck again. Ah, why does it keep doing that? Okay guys, we're at the other side. There's some pretty good stuff in here, so I guess I have another Santa Tweety. Probably go for that, but I don't know. It's not as gettable as the other one was. So I don't know what I'll win. Oh, dollar bill acceptor is jammed. Crap. I'll have to get quarters. Okay guys, I was recording and unfortunately I dropped my camera and I don't know if I got it on film or not, but I got this gingerbread house and I also got this Tweety. I don't know if I got that on film either, but that really sucks if I didn't. Yeah, I was reaching in my pocket and I dropped my camera. Man, hope I have those. But I actually got that gingerbread man off the wall. As you can see, the tag is on it. So let's head over to the other side, actually. So. Alright, I'm gonna play this one. A lot of stuff in here. Christmas. Might go for this reindeer right over here. Nope. Actually, let's go for Rudolph. He looks very gettable. I didn't even notice him. Right there. Ooh, come on, that's it out of him. Come on, get Rudolph. Yes, perfect. Exactly how you want to get him. Got him. Sweet. Let's go for... try another $1. Maybe I can get that Christmas Tweety in the back. That'll be my third one today. Really sucks because I don't think I got the second one on film because I dropped my camera. But, hey, come on. Oh, no. Too dug in. Both of these are gettable, but it'd be cool if I could hook this Fruit Ninja in the headband that it has. I think about right there. Oh, is it? I don't know. Ooh, that was close. Let's go for it one more time. Last try. Let's try for this one. Spin it fast. too big. Perfect. Come on. You got it.
Get a good buy on it?
25 bucks. Probably find one in the yard sale for 10, but then I have to go.
Here. Stay.
Oh, I have a little playboard. Nope.